Hi, and welcome to Red Fox Education. This quiz is about adverbs. You will see 10 sentences with a word missing. You can pick the correct word from the 2 answers below. After you have decided, I will then show you the answer. Good luck and have fun. Number 1. The teacher taught us. Patient, patiently. Yes, the answer is patiently. Number 2. The car passed by swiftly, swift. Yes, the answer is swiftly. Number 3. Jade rides her bicycle carefully, careful. Yes, the answer is carefully. Number 4. She dances so graceful, gracefully. Yes, the answer is gracefully. Number 5. I completed my homework quickly, quick. Yes, the answer is quickly. Number 6. The dog was barking yesterday. Constantly, constant. Yes, the answer is constantly. Number 7. I practiced the keyboard. Regularly, regular. Yes, the answer is regularly. Number 8. He eats quite slowly. Yes, the answer is slowly. Number 9. It rained after all these months. Finally, final. Yes, the answer is finally. Number 10. My mum cares about me deeply. Yes, the answer is deeply. Well done!